and ekuna na cheba Christmas, come on about Christmas. Wahala upon wahala. And then more call. Now, never this current breaking news. In case if you are living in Abuja, this area where I won't call now, if you are living around that area, just know that your house is at risk because federal government is about to do what? A piano of go now. Now, currently now, Mr. Bidobi tweeted, also, I am shocked by the recent report of the planned demolition of about 200 houses in the Nuwalege community in Abuja to make way for the presidential fleet. Hey! To make way for presidential convoy. Let us put it that way. M0l fleet or programmer. To make way for presidential convoy. Hey! Hey! Buhari said that you guys will miss me. Buhari could say Nigeria will later miss me. People what is happening? Truly, sir, Buhari will truly miss you. Yes. Now I know say we must miss you because when you there for power, fuel was 187 and people see they do protest, people they do gara. I know say that's your era, not the best era ever. That's year where you don't rule us as president. Now be the best year ever. Those moments. Now we are experiencing what is called Promas, Nigeria Promas, yeah, Buhari Promas. Hey, Buhari Promas, now we there now, yeah. Shake a banza, now we there. Imagine, now, currently now, okay, if they said that before, fuel can reach like 200, you go see massive protests, both boy and girl, everybody will carry this one, play card, they do protests. But now, fuel reach to 620 naira comfortably. Poor and the rich are buying the fuel comfortably. That is to tell you when Buhari said that Nigeria youths are lazy, we still saying they insult us. And now we know say true Nigeria youths are lazy. Imagine youths are buying fuel comfortably. 620 naira, no protest, nothing, no placard for protest, nothing. And we said we are living in a country that have law. Look at if you are living in that area, Nuwalege community in Abuja. See the current details. Current news as people who want to travel now, go Christmas now, go to their various places now. They don't mark about 200 houses, say they go demolish that house. That is to say, maybe you don't travel, go village. As they come back, Abuja Sansan. Hey, can you hear this? Wa. Before we went there, okay, see. This country now get about Nigeria, how mana na no this our brother bo Mazen Nandekano, but the power of Ndibo, nya about the pillar of Ndibo. And that's now Abronya Waro, Abronya Waro, Eman Oro Agugo. It's a massive power of Ndibo and the pillar of Ndibo. If guess we take that Jiteche, Buhari be Jitecha Mazi, Jitache, Chechari Tuo, Nyaonya House of Fulani. Where nyonya ala we fem mano boy ba jitekwe kare ejikwe kare atakwa ijikwe ko tichari to nyare ko onye ozekwa because ama na abu na hapu maazi na maazi the free no UK no Israel no ebe obu no na enyere anyị brokers ha ga na atu at least selection a na-eme selection by ministers and others and the audition a ga-enwerịrị minister and the commissioner a ga-enyerịrị onye Igbo uti egwu because on all the ebe ojukwu as na akporo ojukwu na akọdịrọ possible or if all the case na abia nya onye isi bụ mouthpiece of ndị Igbo nya the lord of ndị Igbo ejide abata ejicha na ndekara everybody be peta if you go to edina everybody know ọkụ because ha mana nwozi ihe ndị anyị emewu ndị nwe na anyị nwere nwe as elders and leaders ha nwa bụkwu ndị eriri ha nwa ji anya arara anyị ka if say ha na-eregwu anyị na-erejere anyị ndị ilo. Hey, over 200 houses sent to do what? Eko peta. Maka gene, maka ka we nwe broad road. Ebe presidency yes naga. Nya ka enwe a love wide road. Ka yeje kori uno ndem made. What we are experiencing now is check banza. Maybe a twice another Christmas now. Anyway, but you kwekwe now. Ajukwe na maybe Narusi ono Lagos are the empty. Abuja are the empty. And you reach go nwecha ngo riche go na ga eri ibatazie January ka ibe na akpụ obe ga ọbụna obe gị na akụri ene. Hey, that is why I dey travel na no Christmas. Ọbụna family gị ya na family gị na gị nwa nọrọ. Ọbụna gị ya no family gị na nọrọ ma ọ bụkwa na gị nwa na family gị eme gịnị anọrọ n'ụlọ gị ebe ibi na township. Maka gịnị ka ghara ịbụ mgbe ọ ezu asị na gaga na mere travel asị na ịbatazi ọbụna akụri ya n'ụlọ gị. Ndị Igbo ka anyị tete n'ụra, let us wake up. Na mmiri na ncha na-abazi anya na nke ikpeazụ a. Ya dịgodo ya begodo enu a m kwuru, because you go too much as I get mind your business. We think concern you, this and that. No problem. I can never mind my business as long as no ihe gbasara ọganiru onye Igbo. Ọ dịrọ possible. Ya gazie.